So there's a lake in Thailand where you can actually feed the arapaima, which is actually more scarier than you may think. Just check out the size of these monsters. Wow. So obviously we didn't know what to expect, so we had to throw some bait in to begin with, and I can tell you right now, I don't think we were very sure of it. So after all the testing, it was Lee's turn to go first, and I don't think he anticipated how scary it was going to be. So after all the laughs, it was my turn, and I can tell you now, I was scared.
Hey, what's a big one there, right?
Would you put your hand in there? It was a good experience, right enough, and I would recommend it if you're ever in a situation like this. You can get to hand feed them, but it is scary. So just for a laugh, Lee ended up trying to get his wife to have a shot of it, and she was having none of it. So if you like fishing videos like this, please check out my other videos, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. And of course, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.